everybody, it's your girl Savvy State, and I'm back with another juice video. So today we are going to be doing the energy explosion recipe from the Super Juice Me app. This is the app, Super Juice Me app. You go down to recipes and select the energy explosion. I believe his recipe is just for one single cup. So I always double, triple, quadruple the recipe, and I change it up a little bit. I don't do exactly what he has on here. So let's go over our ingredients. This is a bundle of kale, 4 apples, a chunk of broccoli stem. I have 1 whole pineapple, about 8 carrots, 2 lemons, and we're gonna use a notch of ginger. What are we gonna be doing today?
Making juice.
Making juice. So in our last juice video, this little munchkin here, she was only 6 months old, and now she is
2 years old, and now she can talk.
2 years old, and now she can talk and she can juice. So she loves to help juice as well, so I'm gonna let them help out. I like to keep the greens whole. It's just easier to feed through the chute, and whenever you're working with greens, you want to put something hard in before you put the greens in and after to help the machine extract the juice from these leafy greens.
Yo, please fit. Got a whole stack of these puppies. Greens are like healthy for you.
And put something hard after it.
This is a juicy apple. And a juicy pineapple and a juicy lemon. Yummy vegetable chili. Mama, alright, it's fine. Yum, yummy, my tummy. Ah, that makes it. Alright, when you hear that tap, that means
Good job.
Mommy, look, it's so rainbowy. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's so cool. Yeah, so cool. Eek. I think you're putting too much.
Grandma, push it down.
You're going too fast. And it's getting pretty full, so now I'm gonna put this last carrot in, and then it should be enough full now.
So we have one already full of 4 cups. I have tried many juice recipes, but I always find myself coming back to this recipe. It is so good, and when it's paired with the apple and the lemon,
It got it on me.
it literally tastes like lemonade. It's so good, and all the other veggies are like hidden because it just tastes like lemonade, and my girls enjoy it as well. So easy way for them to get some good nutrients.
Money, we have to put all the carrots in. Okay. We're going in order, Mommy. It's getting rainbow again. Oh. Mom, we're putting it in order. Ava, put it in order. Mommy, we're putting it in order. I'm gonna put it in order.
Alright, put it in order.
Only carrots. Vegetable we put inside, and that was pretty good. And you know, if you want to make your own just like this, go to mymother's.com. It's on YouTube, and you can look for more of my mommy's videos. Subscribe. Bye.
that is it, guys, for my energy explosion recipe that I have gotten from the Super Juice Me app. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe if you did. So good, so refreshing. Bye now.